Yo, what up, YouTube fans? It's your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. We down here in South Carolina, my hometown, as a matter of fact, though, for real. Down here to check my brothers out. About to go pick up an LS motor, man. It's time, finally, to do the LS swap in the C10. Are y'all ready for it, okay? Are you ready for it? I'm ready for it. We're gonna pick this motor up. We're gonna get this transmission. It's a 5.3. We're gonna get the ECM. We're gonna get the harness. We're gonna get a whole shebang, all right? And we getting it for the brotherly love deal. My brother's gonna give me the motor in exchange for the motor that's already in the truck. What do you got? What do you know? I mean, family, you gotta love them, okay? So we're gonna make that happen. About to roll over here, get this thing picked up. So let's go check it out. Game over here at my aunt's place, man. We gotta get this engine hoist loaded up onto the truck, man, so that we can get this motor into my own. And then we're gonna ride over here and get this motor, throw it into the truck. So missing a wheel, man, so we're gonna have to make it do what it do. I'm sure we can find something to throw up under that wheel right there. That's my bro right there, man. We about to make this thing happen, though. All right, so stay tuned, man. We're trying to get this LS loaded up. Check this out. This is my uncle. He got going on right here right now. He got 6.0 and this on. He got a 2001, I think 2001 1500 HD. It's got the 8 lugs going on. You know, it's the heavy duty, so it came with a 6.0. He just got that thing rebuilt. Got it all torn apart. Getting ready to get this thing right. So a lot of work getting ready to take place with this thing right here. You say the chain where?
In the back of my car.
Hey, what year is this orange truck again? Yeah. 63? Oh. Hold on, what is it? Oh, 53, okay. Yeah, it's all covered up right now, but it's still around 53 right there. But we're about to get this thing loaded up though, so let's see what it is.
I'll show you my damn motor.
Huh? Oh, you gonna show me? You gonna let's see? We're gonna pull this tarp back, guys, and see what's going on up on this thing. Okay. Had this thing forever.
Damn, my keys is
Oh yeah, that's right. You did the engine swap on this thing. Okay. So we got the LS engine swap, and it looked good under here too. What was it, 6.0 too? 6.0, right?
6.2.
6.2. So stepped it up a notch on this thing. Everything stopped, just a tune on it. Got the headers on there. And you see that thing right there.
Oh yeah.
It fire right up.
Yeah. I ain't got my keys with me.
Oh damn. Okay.
Yeah, that damn in my blue car. That's what I was driving yesterday.
Alright guys, this thing look good though. What year this LS came out? Excuse me.
2005, something like that.
Oh, okay.
2006, somewhere up in there.
That look good, man. My uncle, he been at it for a minute, man. Racing and everything else, you feel me? So, yeah, but that's it right there. 53.
That sounds good.
Huh?
I want to get that one.
Oh, when you get it crunked up.
Yeah, I want to get that one.
Yeah, they're gonna put it back together today, but we ain't gonna be here for that one. But wish I was.
Yeah.
Everything look good though. But stay tuned, guys. We about to get this thing loaded up right here, and it's gonna be on for now. See, got Big D's over here waiting to get this load.
We got a damn 3,500 now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out the
All right, check out game, man. We trying to get this thing ready to go up in here. As you see, we got this LS jacked up. It's 5.3. Oh yeah, we good right there. We're ready to throw this baby in the back of the truck. Got a transmission in there, ECM in there. Got some 6.0 heads back here, but they're not any good. Oh yeah. Yeah. You see my brother, man. He got this classic car lot down here. He got the truck right here. Got the old school Malibu over here. Got the 80-something model Malibu over here. Got the Photo Caprice over here. Got square body over here. Yeah. All right. We got that 68 Impala over here. And a bunch of cans. Yeah, and a 98 right there. Where the other 98? Hey Jay, where the other 98 at? Oh, and another 98, but it ain't here right now.
Hey, Kurt, you see how you need the bag?
But yeah.
Hey, we bag on Curtis. Hey, bag.
You can record this one. The bag. You bagging up and all that stuff.
Hey, stay over there.
Hey, let me call you right back.
Make sure that tire be right here.
All right.
Yeah, that tire should be on the outside of it. Yeah.
The J Walk right there, showstopper.
Oh shit! Hey, don't tell that shit gonna be on YouTube, man. Man, goddamn. Man, shit. I ain't wanna do that shit, man.
I'll put the LS back there. 2500 HD. You ain't wanna be on it? Hell, I wanna be on it. Hey, look at my damn hair.
Oh, you got hair.
Hey, let Curtis know how he need to bag up.
Oh, I told him. Hey, Kurt, woo! Go up and bring that tire in the back. Come in like at a slant. Yeah. Alright. Now straighten your wheel up and come in.
Trying to do it,
Straighten your
man.
wheel up. Alright. Now come in.
Hey, that sharp part on the end of that hood.
Hey, hold on.
Hey, turn right.
Turn your wheel right. Alright. Come back.
He gonna hit that bitch.
Hey,
Yeah. You gonna hit that. Tell him that.
Hey, Curtis, pull it up.
Hey, hold on.
Bring it more close to the, bring that right side close to the step. So Tiger will hit that edge of that hood right there. Yeah.
Hey, where the grip plies? Hey, Kurt, get it. Hey, bend it. Bend both of them.
Right here, that tire ain't gonna hit it.
Bend the, hey, bend that little piece sticking up.
Where?
Right there.
What piece?
Right.
That's the light shit. That shit ain't gonna cut no down time.
Well, I just bend it anyway.
Oh, you don't worry about tires. No, I'm worried.
5'3".
Hey, all you gotta do is straighten it up and bag up close as you can. Alright, I'll let you know before that tire hit that goddamn thing right here.
The oldest brother right there. Hey, you gotta think about this end now. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Alright.
Alright. A little bit more.
Now you gonna hit that.
Alright. Oh, yeah.
No, he gonna hit that.
No, I'm telling you, talking race, man. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, you good now. The tire hit the damn wood. Alright. Well, the tire right there. Shift one back. Yeah, you can sit dead in the tire. Yeah.
We here. Finally got it. Hey, you want this, Kurt?
You already got all this. All right, guys. All right, so I'm gonna come back to you, gang. That's it right there. We about to put this thing in the truck, though. So, yeah, that's that new. That's gonna be the new platform for the 87 right there, though.
Stuff right there.
Yeah. Okay. Stay tuned. Got this thing all mounted up, tucked in, ready to ride out. Time to hit the road, head back home. So stay tuned, more to come. Oh man, check it out, gang. We is back in North Carolina, man. It's been like 3 hours driving. Got the LS back here. Getting ready to put some more diesel in here and take it on to the crib, but I just wanted you to tune in, check out the little pickup of the motor and everything. I'm not gonna throw it on just yet. I'm just gonna get it cleaned up and maybe try to do a little bit to it here and there. What's up, fella? Hey. A little bit to it here and there in the meantime until it's the way I want it to be when I'm ready to throw it in the truck. We're gonna conclude it with this. Get back to you guys in the future or something else. But let's stay tuned, man. C10 definitely gonna be stepping up a notch with the LS in that thing. We're gonna get it right. We're gonna definitely put a cam in there and whatever else I can find, I can bolt right onto that thing to get it running hard. So in the meantime, it's your boy C-Spec Kurt. Like, share, sub, you know what to do. And stay tuned in, man. We're gonna keep it coming. We're gonna keep it coming, whether it's this truck or the next truck or the Benz, whatever. Okay? So let's make it happen, man. It's your boy and I'm out of here. Peace.